with a teacher.
The weather machine disaster. My name is Alex. I am in science class. Today is crazy. Our teacher's in the class. She has an interesting machine. She says, "This is my new weather machine." She pushes a button. "It is sunny," she says. But suddenly it is cold. We are cold. We wear hats and coats. She pushes the button again. "It is snowy," she says. But now it is hot. We are hot. Tom is red like a tomato. Push. It is rainy. But we are dry. No rain, just popcorn falling from the sky. We are excited. The teacher is confused. The machine is angry. Boom! Smoke. Fog. Now it is foggy. We can't see. Lily is scared, but I am bored. Tom says, "Look at the cloud in the classroom." It is cloudy in the classroom. He wears a pillow on his head. The teacher laughs. "I am sorry," she says. "My machine is silly." We are happy again. Science is fun, but next time, no more weather machines.
With a teacher.